Assalamu alaikum guys, in this video I will show you how to make this type of 3D typography. Let's get started. So first of all we will choose the background color. Here we will go to the color and I will choose the red color. Here I will choose this color. Now I will go to the text and I will type my text here. Typography. I will increase the size of it and I will change the font style. Here I will select this font. Now again I will increase the size of it, and now I will change the color of this text into red, and now go to the effects and choose shadow, and there are some adjustment we will do. So first is the offset. We will set the offset is 20 and the direction is plus 45. You can type here. Blur amount is 40 and the transparency is 100, and we will select the color is black. Now we will make a copy of it 3 times, and on the third copy we will change the shadow adjustment again. Here now set the offset is 8 and the direction into 95. The blur amount is 10 and the transparency is same 100. Now we will select the color is white. Again we will make a copy of it. We will select all this and make a group, and you will increase the size of your design or your text. So this is how you can create a 3D typography text effect. Found this tutorial helpful? Tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.